We're going to change the language of operation in today's TrackGrip Technion tutorial. In order to go ahead, you'll need to have level 4, owner or service level clearance on the xLogger system. Let's get started. Select the 3 horizontal stacked lines in the bottom right corner of your screen in order to open the main menu. Next, you're going to use your navigator to head down to Settings and you're going to hit OK. On the settings screen, in the top row of tabs, you're going to navigate to Usage Settings. On the second row of tabs, Generic should be automatically highlighted, and it is here that you will find your language drop-down menu by hitting OK on the navigator. For argument's sake, let's switch the language to French. And there you have it. You have just switched the language on your Technion xLogger computer system. Now, if we head back to the main screen, it is worth noting that if I log out of my current operator and I log back in as a different operator, you will notice that all of the menus are still in French. So changing the language on one profile changes it across the system for all profiles. And that's how you change the language of operation on your Technion xLogger system. If there are any other tutorials that you'd like to see in the near future, please let us know in the comments. Otherwise, thanks for watching.